Hi guys, so I'm going to give you a really quick intro on how to use a stoichiometry map. It can look a little bit intimidating at first, but I am sure that you guys will get it in no time. So when you click this link today, you will open up a copy of your stoichiometry map. This is also in your reference tables, it's just a little bit smaller. So I link it for you to where you can um, favorite it in your Google Drive so you can just pull it up for this unit. So this map is just a helpful visual that shows you the conversions that you need to use in order to do stoichiometry problems, right? So we are getting to the end of the unit. Well, we are at the end. This is the final lesson. We're getting to the end of the unit. So at this point, you've done everything. Like you've done the particle conversions, the mole conversions, the ratios, the percent hydrate, all that stuff. You've finished that. This map just helps you pull it all together and it allows us to do multi-step problems, okay? So the title of today's lesson is stoichiometry. You guys have been doing that this entire unit. It's just in this instance, we are going to put it all together to be able to do multi-step problems, okay? So what this map is going to help you do, even with those lesser step problems, even like single step problems, this map is going to help us visualize the path that we will take in order to solve the conversions, okay? So what we'll do is, given a problem, you will identify where you start and where you need to end up in the map. So for example, let's say they give you the grams of one particular molecule and they want you to calculate the particles of another molecule. So what you'll do is you will find where you start, where you want to end up, and you will follow the map to get there. So you'll go from grams to moles to moles to particles, okay? So it's going to require you guys to read the problems and be able to identify where you start and where you will end up, okay? Each of these arrows, so if you guys see the arrows are the conversion factors that you will use. So like for example, to go from grams to moles, you're going to have to use your molar mass of your periodic table, right? We did a whole lesson on that. To go from your moles of given to moles of unknown, you're going to have to use your mole ratios. We did a whole lesson on that. To go from moles to particles, you're going to have to use Avogadro's number. We did a whole lesson on that, right? So what we've been doing is chunking this information a little bit at a time and doing one-step problems so that we could build up and do multi-step equations, okay? So this is just an intro to the map. Each box is going to be a value that you're given or you need to calculate, and then each arrow is going to be the conversion factor that you need to get there. So don't worry, I've got your lecture video as well as an example video in your assignment today that shows you how to use it. So I do examples with the application. This is just a quick intro to what it looks like and what we're going to use it for.